Now I'm going to lower the door onto an obstacle to see what happens. I realise the door is descending onto an obstacle, so I move it out of the way. My door is now closed. But again, the slats have become disengaged at the top. So part of the door is still attached to the drum, but there is a section that has come apart. This is due to the door coming down onto the chair. As you can see, there is no metal weakness in the door, and the door does not pull itself apart by itself. It will become detached from roll as a consequence of the door descending onto an obstacle.